Here I have Realme C55, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you have to tap on this arrow key, then select preferred language. I'll just stay with English. Then you have to select your region, could be Austria, continue. Then you have to agree with user agreement and privacy, security and protection, tap next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you have Google services. I suggest you to disable these switchers and then tap to accept. Then you can set up unlock method, but you can also just skip this step and do this later in settings. Then I suggest you have some of the additional recommended settings, like for your own decision. You can leave them be or you can disable them, your choice. Tap done and your device is ready. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.